What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get your own Twitter or YouTube name as well as your logo in your highlights intro. This is going to be pretty similar to my other highlights intro tutorials, like my highlights wave intro, the nummy text intro, and other stuff like that, and also my displacement mapping intro. I'll be going only slightly into depth about this, but the main thing I'm going to be covering is how to get the text. So the first thing we're going to do is go into Google and either type in red screen 1920 by 1080, green screen 1920 by 1080, or blue screen. I'm going to go with the classic green screen. It really doesn't matter, but red screen helps get rid of the shadow a little bit better. But I'm just going to, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use green screen because it's the most basic. So I'm going to search up green screen 1920 by 1080, go to images, and then just make sure it's an image, not a video. So just, I see this one, I'm going to click and hold and press add to photos. And once you've done that, we're going to go into the app Phonto. It's a completely free app. Everything in this video is going to be completely for free. And we're going to press photo albums and add in the green screen that we just got. We don't need any filters. We're just going to press done. And we're going to press on here and press add text. Okay. So basically say this right, hi. I already have the font enabled, but we're going to go into font and my fonts. And then I'll put a link to the Social Shapes font down in the description. Just make sure to download the font and then follow my next steps. So once make sure you're using the font, then you go to text. Let's see if, wrong button. Click text. And then if you guys want a Twitter logo, just tap and hold O. Tap and hold O. And then select the one with the 2 dots and you have your circular Twitter logo. And then you can just add another text. And then say, I don't have Twitter, so I'll just put it's lick. You can just write it out. And then you can change the font of this. So whatever you want, I would use the classic, Arial bold, and then click on it, style, spacing, and just make this smaller. And then you can always just change the shadow, alpha, and blur a little bit, X a little bit, and Y a little bit, just a little bit, okay? And then also if you guys want to add some shout out to your Twitter logo, just press style, shadow, and just bring this all the way to there. Blur it a little bit more. And then, yeah, if you guys want to send it, just click on you want your name to be in the middle. So we're going to press move like this. And then press your Twitter logo and just move it, press this. And then you can use the arrow keys, or not keys, but you know what I mean. And there's a Twitter logo. If you guys want a YouTube logo, just change this, press text. And instead of that, we're going to tap and hold U. Tap and hold U. And select the one with the accent facing the left like this. Wait, that's not quite right. Alright guys, so I found out what I was doing wrong. So when you click on the thing and change the text, instead of doing what I was doing, I was using a capital U and then selecting this. But instead what you want to do is you want to make sure you have caps lock or shift off and then press U and hold and then use the one with the left accent. And there you have your YouTube logo. Then you can press style, shadow and bring it to alpha, blur a little bit, move it however you want. And yeah, you have your shadow on top of your logo. You can always move it, you can bring it up a little bit, to the right a little bit, it's up to you guys. And then now we're just going to export it and save image as PNG or save image, it doesn't really matter. After you've saved our image, the only thing left to do is to make it into a video and then add in our displacement mapping or wave. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into any editing application, it doesn't really matter, I'm just going to use iMovie just because it's the most simple. Press plus, movie, and then add in the text that we just made, create movie, and now it's a video. So we're going to press Ken Burns enabled, make it disabled, pinch out, and yeah, here we have our text. This is pretty similar to what I've been doing before, so you guys want to check out those videos that go more in depth about this, but I'm going to press the thing and press save video. Once this exports, we're going to go into Videostar, and we're going to press Videostar, plus, edit video, and then choose the video we just made. Make video. And once you've done that, we're just going to press new, re-effect, plus, search, and then you can either choose turbulence 3 and change it to the fastest and then make this lower and then change the speed later to 0.4 or 0.12 and have it displacement mapping. If you guys would rather have a wave type intro, just simply search up, I have to disable the turbulence, so just deselect. Now I'm going to go like this, type in wave, and choose the fourth option. Bring up this arrow, click right, and then move this slider, and then also move this slider. This slider is for speed, and this slider is for height. So I like a really small, really slow wave, something like this. Yeah, that looks about right. And yeah, that's going to be end of the tutorial. If you guys need help removing the green screen, you guys can just check out my last video on highlights wave intro. I covered it pretty in depth there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions for any future tutorials, you can leave it in the comment section down below, or you can join my Discord server and ask your questions there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and hope you guys have a great rest of your day.